Respected parents and my dear loving students, I came to this Jashipur in the year 2013, February 20th. Then I took charge as a principal of this great school called DePaul School, Jashipur. From that time onwards, this school was part and parcel of my life. It was a soul of my life. I was always thinking how to develop the school. And I know that this institution has run to a great extent. It has moved to a great extent. And it was possible only just because of your cooperation and your support. I extend my sincere thanks to all the parents and to the students. You know that human beings as a whole, we move place to place from one end to the other, and this is a part of life. If a person is born, one day he or she has to die. So I have here come to just to give you the message that I am moving from this place, or I am transferred from this place to Kolkata. So I will be moving soon, and in place of me, another person will take charge as the principal of the school. Father Ajay Bastarai will be in charge or the principal of the school from 10th of July onwards. So dear parents, on this occasion, at this moment, I come to express my sincere thanks to all of you. Many of you have been generous enough to give me support in times of difficulty, and also many parents have given good suggestions for the growth and development of the school. And today, if the school has stood to this extent, it is because of your support and help. And I believe and trust the same support and help will continue with the new principal, one who is going to take charge. And definitely, he will be able to go ahead and fulfill the dreams that Jashipur has. So dear parents, I am very happy to express my sincere thanks to each and every one of you. Please remember me in your prayers. And to my dear students, I really express my sincere thanks because it was you who have taught me to grow. Many times I have told you, especially the higher class students, much more than what you learn, I learn. Because I have to prepare myself, I have to learn myself so that I can teach well. In order to teach well, I have to get a lot of informations from others, from the books, or from the internet. So my teaching was not a waste, but rather it was a profit for me. Much more than what you learned, I have learned many things from the lessons which I have taught you. So, in fact, you were my teachers, not I was your teacher, but you were my teachers. So that's why I have learned a lot of things. And if I am able to speak today to you, it is because of you that I am able to speak to you. So, dear students, really I will miss you very much and hope we will see you some way, some other place, sometimes, somewhere. The world is around, so it's not difficult thing. We will be meeting each other somewhere in some place. Definitely, please remember me and please remember in your prayers so that I may be able to do well into the given place or the new job that I am assigned with. So, with grateful hearts, I sincerely extend my sincere thanks to the parents and to my loving students. So please remember me once again. I request you, remember me in your prayer so that I will be able to do my duty well. So thank you very much for everything, all the support, prayers, and all the help that you have extended not only to me but also to the institution. Once again, I thank each and every one of you. Thank you very much.